Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to iron jeans pants. First, gather your supplies: an iron, an ironing board, and a spray bottle with water. Always check the care label inside your jeans for specific fabric instructions. Turning your jeans inside out before you begin helps prevent any unwanted shine on the denim. Lightly dampen the fabric with a spray bottle for easier wrinkle removal. Finally, set your iron to the correct heat for denim. Now, let's start with the top sections. Lay your jeans flat on the ironing board, making sure they are spread out evenly. Begin by ironing the pockets, ensuring they are completely smooth and flat. Next, move to the waistband. Press it firmly, working your way from the center towards the sides. Don't forget to smooth out any wrinkles that might be hiding around the zipper area for a crisp finish. Moving on to the legs, lay one leg flat on the board, carefully aligning the inseams and outseams. Iron one leg at a time, working your way steadily from the top down to the hem. It's generally best to avoid creating a sharp crease down the center of the leg for a more natural look. Once one leg is perfectly smooth, simply repeat this entire process for the second leg. To finish, give your jeans a quick once-over and touch up any small wrinkles you might have missed. It's important to allow your jeans to cool completely before you fold or hang them. This helps set the fabric and prevents new creases from forming. You can either fold them neatly or hang them on a hanger to maintain their smooth appearance. Store them in a dry, cool place for best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.